Hello friends, welcome you all to Polity Simplified series of Gnandeep Academy. Today, we'll try to understand next important article of Indian Constitution. The name of the article is article number 58. It talks out what are the qualifications for election as a President of India. So what all are the qualifications which must be possessed by an individual to get elected as a President of India. Very interesting article. We'll try to understand what it says. See, first thing, no person shall be eligible for election as President of India unless he, means what are all the basic qualification that every individual who wants to get elected as a President of India should possess. First, he should be a citizen of India. First point, he has completed the age of 35 years. So basically, what is the minimum criteria for getting elected as President is 35 years. Now here, you must be knowing certain important age that must be remembered. Third, he should be qualified for election as a member of the House of the People. Remember, here many people might get confused while answering the questions in preliminary examination that he should be a member of the House of the People. No, he should possess all important qualifications which are required for a person to get elected as a member of the Lok Sabha. For President, the qualifications are equivalent to the qualifications of Lok Sabha. For Vice President, the qualifications are equivalent to the qualifications of members of the Rajya Sabha. So for President, it is Lok Sabha. For Vice President, it is Rajya Sabha. So first thing, he should be citizen of India. He must have completed 35 years of age. Third, he should have all the qualifications required for a person to be a member of Lok Sabha, that is House of the People. Then, see, a person shall not be eligible, means who is not eligible for election as President of India if that person holds any office of profit. This is very interesting. Office of profit under the government of India or the government of any state or under any local or other authorities subject to the control of any of the state government. So third important thing which must be remembered is that any person who is holding any office of profit. What is office of profit? It is defined in rules of Lok Sabha. Office of profit is your position, is your post, is your office where the emolument, the salary, the economic benefits that you are getting might compromise your position in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha or on any constitutional post in favor of that office of profit, compromising the constitutional values. So it is defined in a very broad manner. So any person who is holding any office of profit is not eligible to be elected as the President of India. Now, the important part, for the purpose of this article number that we are studying, for the purpose of this article, a person shall not be deemed to hold any office of profit by reason only that he is the President or Vice President of the Union or the Governor of any state or is a minister either for the Union or any other state. Means which all things will not be treated as office of profit. So if that person is already a President, is a Vice President, is a Governor of a state or he is a minister in center or in a state, he will not be called as an office of profit. So if a person wants to contest election for President and he is already a President, he is already a Vice President, he is minister either in center and state or he is Governor in a particular state, all these posts which I am mentioning right here will not be called as an office of profit for this particular article. Very interesting thing. See, always remember, unless and until you break down these entire articles into structures, you won't get very good marks. What we have seen, a person should be citizen of India. He must have completed 35 years of age. He should have minimum criteria of to be a member of Lok Sabha. Who will not be President? A person who is holding office of profit will not be considered for the contest and for election as President of India. Which all post will not be called as office of profit. So basically, President post, Vice President post, Governor's post or Minister either in center and state will not be called as office of profit for this particular article. That's all. Thank you.